Must-have digital marketing tools to help you grow. Modern marketers are expected to be a million places at once. Whether we're digging through data or fine-tuning our social presence, relying on the right digital marketing tools means saving time and maintaining our sanity. We've set out to put together a list of tools that are valuable to marketers of all shapes and sizes. Number 1. Sprout Social. Sprout is a social media management and engagement platform for businesses that make it easy for brands to effectively engage with current customers and prospective customers. Number 2. BlueBox. BlueBox is a social engagement platform that emphasizes interactive content. From curating hashtag entries to selecting winners at random, BlueBox takes much of the legwork out of running a contest or a giveaway via social. Twitter native platform. Twitter has some fantastic features for targeting, with segmentation functionality that includes the ability to target certain keywords so that whenever someone tweets out or engages with a tweet using that key phrase, they'll be targeted. MailChimp. MailChimp represents an absolute giant within the email marketing space, with over 250 billion emails sent by its users just last year. If you're new to digital marketing tools or email in general, MailChimp represents a great starting point. Number 5. GetResponse. GetResponse's unique email marketing platform stresses the growing trend of automation. This solution analyzes specific trends and behaviors from your list to trigger specific messages and autoresponders instantly. Number 6. Unbalance. Unbalance is an amazing tool for quickly building, tweaking, and publishing new landing pages to test. One of the most fantastic features of Unbalance is how easy it is to use the platform to create brand new pages. Even if you're not much of a designer, you can use some of the templates available as a jumping off point, then tweak them to fit your style. Number 7. Canva. Canva is a free, web-based design tool you can use to create unique images to share on your blogs, social networks, and beyond. You can use Canva to create completely unique images from scratch or to polish up some photos that you already have on hand. Now that you've seen some of the digital marketing tools, you're probably hungry to get out there and try some free trials. What digital marketing tools do you swear by? For more information on how to automate your life, go visit us at lifeofautomation.com or subscribe below for more videos.